Are you looking to add a dope mutated effect on your vocals? Check this plugin out. All right, family, I love to use this Taurus Mutator. Let's play the vocal, but first let me show you. All you have to do is select the vocal range. This vocal is going to be alto tenor. You have your pitch shift, your throat length, throat width, and your mutation. But let's focus on the shift, pitch, and the mutation. Let's play.
This boss talk for real ones. Not born rich, out down one. No new friends in this
Dial this down to pitch down.
Stay dedicated.
I'm defecating on
Dial this up to pitch up.
progress. Bear witness
Let's
what
bring
folks
this thing
get you.
close
New
to the
dope
middle.
straight out the kitchen.
Now let's play
Can't
with
be
this
scared to
mutate.
take a risk. Boss up on your shit. Had 30 for the wrist.
60 for the neck. Apartments in the just before the house.
You could do some crazy things with this Taurus Mutator, man. Make sure you try it out.